Hi. How can I say this? My heart is not at peace. It's in half. You got the other piece. I noticed those dark spots on your lips. I noticed you very short-tempered, you for kips. I always fix my bed for you. What shits? Just in case you happen to notice my face, feel my heart's pace, see that I'm wearing lace, finally know how it tastes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's too early for that. I've been camping out here, open your heart's gate. I have a soul, you have a soul, be my mate. I wanna talk to you on the phone till late. Okay. I'm too far now, back to first date. I love everything about you, no hate. So we can spend some time at the lake, apples, blunts, and cake. This is genuine love, not fake. You make my whole body shiver, shake. Take me for your sake. I swear I'll forever have your back. At any cost, at any state. Dear crush. Okay, let me not blush. Can you shut up? Hush. Can't you see I'm trying to promise my dream nigga the world and stuff? I can't let you pass, you can only puff. I need to explore your body, I need cuffs. Forgive me, I'm high. Oh, hi. I'm right here, I'll always be here, I'm your nunu pie. Sengyalwa manje. Sengyalwa manje wena waye ngakuthanda kanje indaba ngihluleka ukuvalela ngaphandle indaba lenhliziyo yokungathi amagagasi malithulukela ulwakhe sungenza ngidlale ngenkotha ngolimi bathi yisnack ngisangakhotha ngolimi kuthi angingakutsheli ngenxa yesimo kodwa phela cha mhlawumbe uzongilalela mhlawumbe uzovuselela lezi impilo hayi sengyalwa ngempela ngifuna ukukunakekela phela ngiyasikhulumela nje hayi ngoba ngikushela Mangazi wena ngikhuluma naye bazokutshela buka ngikhala ubusuku bonke sekuyavela mangingakutholi nempilo ngeke ngisayilwela bathe ngiyakuthanda nami batshela ukuthi ngingakuphilela ikhekhe ngakusikela babekusukela ngakuphikela makunembango ngizokusekela awuwena konke ngakwenzela ngisukela ungishela uzobona ngizokubeka la eduze kwami ngempela angikwazi nokucasukela